Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to log out from your broker account on TradingView using your mobile phone. Whether you are switching accounts or just want to disconnect, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First, open your TradingView mobile application and make sure you logged into your account. Now go to your chart screen because that's where the trading connection is managed. Now tap on the icon for the analysis hub, which you can find around this area. Tap on it. You will now see your connected broker name at the center. Tap on it. Now tap on the broker name at the top. Now tap on Logout paper trading or any other broker name available. Now you're fully logged out. You can connect to another broker or continue using paper trading if you like. And that's how you log out from your broker account on TradingView mobile application. Simple and quick. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more TradingView mobile tutorials. If you have got any queries, drop them in the comments and let me know what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.